Good morning children. Today 5th class mathematics. In previous class we have to discuss about by 12 rule. Today by 15th rule. Okay. Today we have to discuss about by 18th rule. What do you mean by divisible by 18? Means if the given number is divisible by 3, divisible by 9 and 2. Okay. If the given number is divisible by 9 and 2. If the given number is divisible by 9 and 2, then the total number is divisible by 18. It is not divisible by 18th rule. Okay. What do you mean by divisible by 18 children? If the given number is divisible by 9 table and as well as divisible by 2 table, then only the total number is divisible by 18. Then you can say directly without doing actual division. See, here I will say one example question. That is, I am taking 18,081. Okay, here 18,081. It is the given number. Okay. First of all, what you have to check here? It is divisible by 9. So you have to write down the solution by 9 property. What is the by 9 property, children? Here, by 9 properties. See, what is the by 9 property? If sum of the digits is, if sum of the digits are divisible by 9. You have to check this one. Sum of the digits. Okay. Sum of the digits means you can write down this. 1 place, 8 place, 0 place, 8 place, 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. So, 18 will come in the 9 table. 9 ones 9, 9 twos 18. Here, therefore, 18 is divisible by 18. Okay. 18 is divisible by 9. So, total given number 1081 is divisible by 9. Up to here, one problem, one part completed. Now check the by 2 rule. What is the by 2 rule, children? Last digits is even number. In the given number, ones place. Ones place digit is an even number. Okay. In the given number, ones place digit is an even number. Then it is divisible by 2. You have to check the given number 18081, but here 1 is there. Therefore, 1 is not an even number. So, 1 is not divisible. Not divisible by 2. Therefore, 18,081 is also not divisible by 2. So, last step, directly you have to write down. Therefore, 18,081 is not divisible. Not divisible by 18. Okay, children. Why? Because this number is only divisible by 9, not divisible by 2. If not divisible by 2 means the total number is not divisible by 18. Like this. Same like this. In exercise 4.2, you have E bit. Okay. You have E bit. That is by 18. In this first question. E bit first question is 1008. First write down the solution. Means what you have to check? First you have to check the by 9 property. By 9 means A. Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits 1 place, 0 place, 0 place, 8. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 is divisible by 9. Why? Because 9 ones 9. Therefore, 9 is divisible by 9. So, total number 1008 is also divisible by 9. Then you have to check the next property, that is by 2. Why? Because must and compulsory it is divisible by 9 and 2. Okay. In this given question, the ones place digit is, what is the given question? Underline the ones place 8. Ones place digit is 8. Okay. Here you have to write down. 8 will come in the 2 table. Yes or no? Why? Because 8 is an even number. 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4, 2 3 6, 2 fours 8. 8 is, therefore, 8 is an even number. And it is divisible by 2. So, total number 1008 is divisible by 2. Last step. What you have to write? Therefore, 1008 is divisible by 9 and 2. 9 and 2. So, then it is also divisible by 18. Okay, children. Like this, you have to check. What is the divisible by 18, children? I am repeating once again. Listen. If the given number is divisible by 9 table and 2 table, then the total number is divisible by 18. Without doing actual division, we have to say directly this one. What do you mean by divisibility by 9 by 9. Means you have to do addition and check. If the which answer you are getting, that number you will get in the 9 table. It is divisible by 9. After that, check the divisibility by 2 rule. What is the divisibility by 2 rule? If the given number last digit means ones place digit should be compulsory an even number. Even number is nothing but which numbers, children? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are called as even numbers. But here in the ones place 1 is there. 1 is not an even number. So it is not divisible by 2. If it is not divisible by 2, the total number is not at all divisible by 18. Like that. Okay. If you understood clearly, same like this. Even first question 1008. It is divisible by 9 and it is divisible by 2. Then it is automatically divisible by 18. Like this. Like this, some more questions is there. For example, B question 752. Okay, E question 752. 7 plus 5, how much? 7 plus 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 not coming in the 9 table. So it is not divisible by 9. If it is not divisible by 9, no need to check the divisibility by 2 rule. You have to directly write down. If the given number is not divisible by 9, so it is not divisible by 18. Like that. Okay. So today your homework is doing math notes, exercise 4.2 E bit, that is by 18th rule A to F problems. That is textbook page number 92. See children, everyone open textbook page number 92, exercise 4.2. Here is there 6th bit. It is 6th bit. It is 6th bit by 18. A, B, C, D, E, F. I explained a first question and one example question also. First you have to open your math notebook, copy this rule and example, then go for this bit. Okay? Maintain the book neatly, write down. It is your homework today. Thank you.